Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making sausage cheese balls with Bisquick. For this easy recipe, all we need is 3 ingredients: Bisquick baking mix, a pound of ground sausage, and a pound of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. So before making this video, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So now I'm just going to mix all the ingredients. So I'm going to add 1 pound of sausage. And 1 pound of cheese. So it's 2 packages, 8 ounces each. And 2 cups of Bisquick baking mix. And now we need to mix everything together and roll it into balls. So I'm going to start mixing it. Now, if you find it difficult to incorporate all the ingredients, you can always add a 1/4 cup of water. So this is optional. It really depends on the consistency of the sausage, what is needed. So I'm just going to add a 1/4 cup of water. And that will help me finish mixing it so everything is combined. So now all the ingredients are mixed, and I'm going to roll them into a ball and put them on a baking sheet. So basically just mix it, and if it doesn't get mixed, add water as needed until everything is combined. So let's make these sausage cheese balls. So just roll it into a shape of small meatballs. So now I've assembled sausage cheese balls and I'm going to put them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake. So see, the oven is already preheated. And let's bake. Now it's been baking for 25 minutes and these sausage cheese balls are ready. They look amazing. Look at the sausage cheddar balls. Let's take them out. Perfect. I'm so excited about trying these sausage cheese balls. Let's try it. Let me just cut one. You see it's fully cooked inside. It tastes amazing. They're so good and so easy to make. So you can eat them as a main dish or serve them as a party appetizer. Totally up to you. They're super easy and so delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!